Hello everyone, I am Swati. Today I am going to discuss with you all how to find rational numbers between any two rational numbers. For this, I would like to take example. Let's say there are two rational numbers 3 and 4, and I need to find three rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So I would like to find three rational numbers between these two rational numbers. As you all know that the rational number is in the form of a P by Q. So here I can write 3 as 3 by 1 and 4 as 4 by 1. Now I need to find the three rational numbers between 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. So first of all, in this you have to see that your denominator must be same. So here what I am finding that the denominator is 1, so it is same in both the cases. So the next step is you need to find three rational numbers between both of them. So what you need to do is you have to write 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. And you have to multiply numerator and denominator by a number greater than 3. So the number greater than 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. So you can multiply 3 by 1 as any number greater than 3. So what I will do? The number greater than 3 is 4, 5. So first I will take a number 4. So when I am multiplying the denominator, I have to multiply with numerator also. Similarly here, I have to multiply by 4. So what I am getting here, 3 4s are 12 divided by 4. Here I am getting 4 into 4 is 16 divided by 4. So now can you write the rational numbers between both of them? So the rational numbers between both of them is 13 by 4, 14 by 4 and 15 by 4. So these are the three rational numbers between 3 and 4. So what I need to do, I have to see first the denominator must be same. If the denominator is same, I have to multiply these two rational numbers with a number which is greater than 3. So how many rational numbers you need to find? 3. So you have to multiply this with a number greater than 3. You can multiply by 5 also. Let's see. 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. If I'll multiply by 5, what I'm getting here? 15 by 5. And here I am getting 20 upon 5. So I can find the rational number between these two is 16 by 5, 17 by 5, 18 by 5 and 19 by 5. You are asked three rational numbers. So you can write any of the three rational numbers among these four rational numbers. Now let's take any other example where your denominator is different. Find, let's say, 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. What I am observing here, the denominators are different. So what I need to do, I have to make these denominators to be same. So how can I make the denominators to be same? I need to take LCM for it. The LCM of denominators are 5 and 3. So the LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So I have to make the denominator same. So to make the denominator same, I have to multiply 5 by 3. So if I am multiplying in the denominator, I have to multiply in the numerator also. So what I am getting? 9 by 15. Similarly, I have to make the denominator 3 into 5. So I have to multiply in the numerator. So what I'm getting? 10 by 15. Now my denominators are same. I can find out the rational numbers between these two rational numbers, but the numerator is 9 and 10. So there is no number between it. So what I will do, I have to find 5 rational numbers. So I have to multiply this rational number with a number greater than 5. So what I will get? 6. You have to multiply by 6. Similarly, multiply by 6. So 9 into 6 is 54. 15 into 6 is your 90. Similarly, 60 upon 90. So can I write the rational numbers between these two rational numbers? That is 55 upon 90, 56 upon 90, 57 upon 90, 58 upon 90 and 59 upon 90. So these are the 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. What you need to see is denominator must be same. If the denominator is not same, you have to take the LCM of the denominators and then you have to make the denominator same. To make the denominator same, I have to multiply in the numerator also to make it balanced. So you have to see that the denominators are same. So you have to multiply by a number which is greater than 5. So you can take 7 also, you can take 8 also, you can take 9, 10, 11 and whatever you would like. So you can multiply by those numbers and you will get the rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Thank you.